Hello, welcome to another local MX Tech Tip. I'm Levon Pendegrass. We are here in Huntsville, Alabama at Dunlop Proving Grounds. Today's tech tip is brake pad replacement. The rear brakes on most bikes can be removed and replaced without removing the wheel or the brake caliper. To do this, spread your old brake pads apart, center the caliper over the disc, remove your brake pin, and remove your old brake pads. Then install your new brake pads, making sure that the front part of the pad is in its groove correctly. Install your brake pin, pump your brakes up, you're ready to go. For the front brakes, it is necessary to remove the brake caliper on most bikes. Before removing the caliper, loosen the brake pin bolt, remove the caliper, spread the old pads, then remove the brake pin bolt, and then remove the old pads. Now you're ready to install the brake pads into the caliper. Install your brake pads, install the pin, put the brake caliper back on the forks, torque to proper spec, and then retighten your brake pin. Pump your brakes up and you're ready to go. Proper brake setup is a key to safe riding. I hope these tips have helped.